Two of the most talked about website builders go head to head. Weebly versus Builder.ai, which one really delivers? On the left, the simple drag and drop Weebly. And on the right, the AI-powered customizable Builder.ai. We'll be testing them in real-life scenarios that affect you features, flexibility, ease of use, cost, support, and more. Let's skip the marketing hype and see what these platforms actually offer. Points are awarded for each category, so by the end, you'll know who truly stands out. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, let's map it out. Here's what we'll be looking at: pricing, ease of use, features, scalability, support, and ecosystem, and of course, design flexibility. Cool, let's get into it. Let's kick things off with pricing. So, Weebly? Honestly, it's about as wallet-friendly as they come. There's a free tier for testing the waters, low monthly costs for upgrades, and I really like how upfront they are about what you're getting at each level. The catch? Yeah, for advanced features, you'll definitely have to pay a bit extra. Now, Builder.ai takes a totally different route. Super flexible, but it's based on custom quotes and pay-as-you-grows models. Sounds fancy, right? But heads up, those custom builds can come with some sticker shock, and, well, there's no free tier to tinker with. For most folks, Weebly's just way kinder on your wallet, so no surprise, we're giving this round to Weebly. Next up is ease of use. Weebly honestly makes it a breeze with their drag and drop editor, so you don't need to know a single line of code. You get instant previews, tweak as you go, and boom, you're online. It's literally made for beginners, though it might feel a bit limiting if you want to get fancy. Now, Builder.ai is cool because sure, you've got AI guiding you through the setup, and it can handle big complex stuff. But here's the thing, there's more of a learning curve. You'll need to provide details up front, especially for custom projects, so it's not always instant and easy like Weebly. So for everyday users, Weebly grabs this one. Alright, features. Here's where things get interesting. Weebly covers the basics. There's simple e-commerce, decent SEO tools, and some integrations for things like newsletters or forms. But, and this is big, it kinda tops out quickly. If you're dreaming of the next Uber or something, it's just not built for that. Now, Builder.ai, on the other hand, can go wild. You want websites, custom web apps, even mobile apps, that's its jam. It's all powered by AI and can integrate with a bunch of third-party tools. Of course, the more you want, the higher your bill, but that flexibility? Pretty awesome. Clear win for Builder.ai in the features department. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? The first website builder actually showed up all the way back in 1995. The internet's come a long way, huh? Let's talk scalability. Weebly is great for small shops or local businesses. Super easy to maintain, but it's not really meant for sites that blow up and get thousands of visitors a day. Backend access is limited too, so you can't stretch it too far. Builder.ai though. Total opposite, enterprise-grade options. You can build whatever your wildest startup idea is and scale it to the moon. Of course, that means a bigger investment and probably needing a tech lead at some point, but if growth is your plan, Builder.ai hands down takes it here. Moving on to support and ecosystem. Weebly's got a pretty lively thing going. There's a big help center, community forums, even live chat. Though yes, the quality of support does depend on which plan you're paying for. Now, Builder.ai gives you a dedicated team of experts, literal consultants helping manage your project, which is super cool if you've got a big build. But support can lag if your project is really custom, and there's just not the same kind of user community or resources online. For most people, Weebly gives you faster, more accessible help, so it's the winner here. Alright, let's talk design flexibility. Weebly's got a pile of templates so you can get up and running fast, and it's easy to swap colors, fonts, layouts, all that good stuff. But if you want to break out of the box and create something incredibly unique, the template limits show up fast. Builder.ai, on the flip side, is like, tell me anything, I'll build it. Complete custom UI and UX is possible, and the AI helps guide your design decisions. Only thing is, you'll need to be clearer with your vision and be ready for a bit of back and forth. It's not always beginner-friendly, so honestly, this one's a tie. Depends on what you need, speed, or ultimate flexibility. Let's look at the scores side by side on this radar chart. Weebly shines for pricing, ease, and support, while Builder.ai just crushes features and scalability. Design flexibility? Too close to call. So, here's my take. If you're just starting out, want to keep things simple, or you just need to get a business or portfolio online, Weebly is honestly one of the smoothest ways to get there. But if you've got wild ambitions, maybe it's a custom web app or you know you'll need to scale fast, Builder.ai brings the power and flexibility to let you dream big. It all comes down to what you're building. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more guides coming your way on digital tools. Stay